Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, makeup, skincare, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So y'all, today we have a fragrance haul. We got about 17 or so fragrances here. Some of them are PR, but a lot of them I purchased with my own coin. We're gonna get into what's what, of course, and I'm excited because I love new fragrances. Okay, shout out to your girl receiving some PR. Like they finally starting to see your girl. Okay, since there's so many fragrances, I'm not going to spend too much time on them, but there are some that I am going to go into full detail in dedicated reviews, so definitely look out for that, and I'll let y'all know which ones those are. If you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen me unbox a lot of these, so if you don't follow me on Instagram, you definitely should, because you probably would have already seen some of these fragrances. First, let's get started with the ones that I purchased from the Perfume de Marly sale that I posted about last week. How many of y'all bought fragrances from the Perfume de Marly sale? Did you get your fragrances yet? Because I got mine and I am so happy. So let's start with the first one, which was Meliora. I told you I was getting Meliora and I have it here. Sorry if my lights are so bright, but this is what she looks like. Y'all have seen this bottle 172 million times, so I ain't gonna go too much in depth to it, but she is definitely super pretty. Y'all see that? I already done dug into her a little bit or whatever, but I was so excited to get this because y'all know I'm trying to get my spring summer stuff together, and this is gonna be perfect for that. Berries and florals and just light, airy, juicy. The next one is La Rose. I'm so glad she's here because I've been wanting her since she came out. It's on sale, now's the time, and it's about to be spring summer, now's the time. I'm so glad I got her, y'all. I was testing her out at the same time I was testing out Meliora, and Meliora was tucked up under her. Okay, she was like, hello, I'm here, I am Delina. I was like, okay girl. So yeah, like I smelled Meliora, but she was taking over the whole testing session. Okay, so if you was thinking like, oh, I got Delina and I got Delina exclusive, like I don't really need her, no, the girls wasn't lying. The girls wasn't lying. You do. She is Michelle of Destiny's Child. She definitely is. Shout out to my girl Chi Chi. She was like, hey, you need all three. You need all three, and she wasn't lying. She's holding her own. I'm glad she's in the group. Okay. Last but certainly not least was the girl Athalia. So I wanted Athalia because everybody was saying she's more upscale, she's more classy, she's like all about her business. She is definitely a grown woman, like they said. So I'm glad she's a part of the group. So let's talk about a couple that I received in PR. First of all, I received this cute little purse spray of Bianca, and yes, I called it a purse spray. So this is a 30 ml, super cute, definitely something I would throw in my purse, because if I use this, I'm gonna use it 3 times and it's gonna be gone, because that's just like what I'm gonna do with 30 mils. I don't know, but anywho, it was cute and I'm grateful that they sent it to me. And it definitely makes me want a full bottle. I'm getting a full bottle of Bianca because this is really pretty. It really is pretty. A lot of people say that it smells like a bride fragrance and you know, all of that, and I see where they getting that from. The other one that they sent to me was Mango Skin. So last summer was when I really started hearing about it, and I was like, oh, okay, they sound cute, but it wasn't never really anything that I was like, you know, on my list, really on my radar. And y'all, my nose is so wide open on Wilhelm Perfumery now because this Mango Skin, I love it. I do. So my nose is wide open to them. It's like 4 more of these that I want to try. So y'all probably gonna see some more Wilhelm Perfumery in my hauls coming up because yeah, this is nice, and it had pretty good long lasting power for a fruity scent. Now these next 2 fragrances I purchased with my own money, and shout out to my girl Tresses of Alexis because she is the one that put me on. So I had heard about the fragrances, of course, but once she co-signed like, girl, you need these, I was on it. So this one was on my list forever and a day, but I was waiting for a good deal. It is Another 13 by Le Labo. Girl, so let me tell y'all, I ordered some samples. I got Another 13, Rose 31, Tonka 25, Iris 40 something, I think, or rather, and I think that was it. And I didn't like any of those, but Another 13. I was holding on to that sample for so long, and then when Scents Gift sent me some decants, I got another decant from them because I just loved it so much, but I couldn't find a deal. Finally found me a deal, so I'll link it below for y'all. But y'all, when y'all see what the dent look like on this at the end of the summer, y'all gonna know it's real. This next one was on my list since it came out, but you know, I just kept kind of pushing it back. I think when it came out, it was kind of starting to get like towards the end of summer or whatever, and I was just like, I want it, but I wasn't thirsty to get it. but it still stayed on my list because I wanted it, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, it's Must Noir Rose by Narciso Rodriguez. Y'all know I have like 2 other Narciso fragrances, so I'm already a fan of the house, but this right here is so good. It came with this little one that I can just throw in my bag. Actually, I would just decant this out because the little one that they sent is like a dabber, and I prefer to have it in a spray, so I'm gonna just decant it into a decanter. But it is good. It is. I can't even hold y'all. Like, you know how people be hyping stuff and you be like, you get it, you be like, No, this was love at first sniff for me. I know a lot of people said that they got it and they was like, oh, okay, it's cute, but the more they wear it, and they was like, oh, I'm obsessed with it. Like, I've seen people with collections like they got like 300-400 fragrances, and once they got this, they dent was like down to here. They was like, girl, it's so good, and they ain't lying. They not lying. Ooh, let me tell y'all about a house that I am so obsessed with. I'm about to do a review on them after this video because I got a discovery set from them, and I am obsessed with this house. Like, I am about to buy like 5 fragrances from them, and I cannot wait to tell y'all about them. So the house that I'm talking about is NUIT NOMADE. The first person I heard talking about it was my girl Spicy Look. So she's the one that put me onto this brand to where I was intrigued to, you know, find out more about them. And y'all, that house, it's so many fragrances that I want. So this one in particular is Sun Bleach, and they sent me this fragrance, but y'all, that house, I'm about to go crazy with them. So this is Sun Bleach. It came just like this. This is how the bottle looks, and I'm definitely gonna give y'all more details about the whole brand and everything in the review. But y'all, this right here, oh my gosh, spring summer vibe. Like, I cannot wait. I am so obsessed with this. Y'all know I am a big fan of Lazy Sunday Morning, but this is a smoother, more refined version of that, but even better because it has that solar beachy quality added into it. So this right here, I know the house itself is not new, but it's new for me, and I'm all over it. Y'all about to be like, oh gosh, she always talking about that house. So here's another one that I purchased, which y'all would have saw on Instagram, was Bloody Wood by Liquidees Imagineers. So you know their fragrances come in the box like this, and the bottle comes in a little pouch like that. So this, I think, is the last one that I want from them. So now I have Bloody Wood, Dom Rosa, and Blanche Bet, and I think I'm good. People are talking about Desert Suave, so I don't know, I might get a sample of that to see, but right now I think I'm good on this house. And this is the bottle of Bloody Wood. We matching, okay? And this smells so good. So this is a fragrance that has a beautiful red wine accord. And when I say red wine, I mean red wine, like that smell when you lift the wine up to your mouth and you getting ready to sip it and you smell that red wine. Like, this nailed it. Like, it's a lot of fragrances out there that say they have red wine in it. No, this has red wine. If you saw my last haul, I'll link it down in the description box so you can watch it after this video. Then Bloody Wood was in that video. I told y'all I was getting that, and I also told y'all I was getting these 2, which was Pacific Rock Moss from Goldfield and Banks. I told y'all I was getting this because I love this. Like, I love it. Like, it's so good. You can definitely watch that video so you can see like what, you know, my full thoughts on it. But I told y'all I was getting a full bottle, and I did. And I know y'all love Wood Sage and Sea Salt, but I like this one better than that. I compared the 2 side by side, and this one, I like this one much better. Smooth, and just, I don't know, it's just something about this one that I just like so much more. And then the other one that I said I was getting in that haul was Gris Charnel. Y'all already seen me put this in a video already, because y'all know when I be getting my fragrances, I don't like them sitting in boxes. Like, I be trying to put my stuff up on the shelf, okay? So it'd be hard for me to do that, but I be trying to keep some boxes, especially if it's PR, to show y'all what the box look like. But Gris Charnel is here, and I regret nothing. I do not regret a thing. Another one that I bought was Bohemian Lime by Goldfield and Banks. I do like this fragrance. It's one that I recently smelled that I like better than this. Actually, it's from NUIT NOMADE, so I'm going to tell y'all about that in that video. But I do like this, and this is just a nice summer fresh fragrance. It kind of has a, you know, kind of a cologne-y type of vibe. I loved it when I first got it, but now that I smelled the other one, I just like this one now. But now my Goldfield and Banks collection is complete because I got the last 2 that I wanted. One was Sunset Hour, so I know y'all know all about Sunset Hour. My girl AI, she hyped this up last year, and for good reason. Like, all of y'all jumped on it, and I see why. Like, it's so nice, juicy, fun, fizzy, Like, this is definitely a easy reach, grab and go for spring, summer. You're gonna smell cute and girly and fruity, and this is really, really good. So I'm so glad I got it. Like I said, it's like a little fizzy too, so I kind of like that. And the last one I got is Southern Bloom. So I really don't hear anybody talking about Southern Bloom. The only person I ever heard talk about Southern Bloom was Adriana DC. And so I'll link her channel. Everybody that I mentioned, I'll link their channels down below. So this is what the box looks like. Y'all have seen the Goldfield and Banks boxes before. And this one is Southern Bloom. And it's a dark purple color, like a dark purple color, and it's from the Boronia flower that is grown in Australia at a certain time of the year, and it's only could be, you know, grown and harvested at a certain time of the year. And the color is from that flower, and it's like a dark purple. It probably looks black on camera, but it's definitely a dark, pretty purple. But honey, she projects, okay? She was projecting on me, and she was loud and all of that. So I really like her, and I'm glad I got her. But yeah, but once I wear her a little bit more, I'll be able to give y'all more details. So let's go to one that I did get in PR, which is this one. This is Milk Personal by Commodity. So I recently did a video where I sampled all the personal scent space fragrances by Commodity. So those are all the ones in the white bottle, the new ones in the white bottle. And I found some that I really liked. I was surprised because I was like, oh, this is the personal space. It's all, you know, soft and close to the skin. I don't know if I'm really, no, I really did like quite a few of them. So this one, of course, I liked. They sent me this one. The other one that I liked was Book and Velvet. I really like those. And Moss, surprisingly, I didn't think I was gonna like Moss, but it was like a citrusy woody type of thing, and it wasn't too woody, too strong or whatever. The Moss bold was a little too much for me, but that one was cool. So those are the ones I liked. I'll leave that video link so you can see more detail about it. But yeah, so I have Milk Personal by Commodity. One that I purchased is Starlight by GORGIUS. So in the fall and winter, a lot of people were like raving about this, how great it was, and how it has this cardamom, and it's just so nice and good and spicy and and when I got it, I was like, it's definitely a spice bomb. It's definitely, the cardamom is definitely cardamomy. Okay, it is. It really is. Out of the bottle, you just really don't get much but cardamom. But when you wear it, that's when you start to get the other kind of notes with the spice. It smells so much better on you, so much better in the air. It's definitely a unisex scent. Like, a man could absolutely wear this. You know what I'm saying? If you like girly feminine fragrances, I don't think this will be for you. The way it was smelling out of the bottle, I was like, you might be getting sold, because I don't know. But I was like, let me go ahead and wear you. And I definitely liked it more when I wore it, like, for sure. Okay, so the next fragrances that I received are by Argos Fragrances. So y'all know I like to laugh at the fragrance girls. They'd be like, oh, this bottle is so stunning. Like, they'd be having like a plain, regular looking bottle, and they'd be like, it's so stunning. Look at this bottle, it's so stunning. No, these bottles are actually stunning bottles. So first, I'm gonna talk about the popular one. My girl Jessica Trim and Spicy Looks put me onto this brand, and y'all, Triumph of Bacchus. This is the one that everybody is talking about, raving about, and I'm definitely going to do a full review on the ones that I have. But y'all, these bottles are actually stunning. Okay, this is a beautiful, beautiful bottle. When I say it's heavy, this bottle is heavy. And on the other side, you see the Argos label in there in the back, and they engraved my name on the bottom. This one is called Perfume, and this one is more feminine and floral, and it smells really good on the skin too. But I definitely have to give it more of a wear, and I feel like the time is coming for me to give this some good wears. This is what the bottle looks like, just as beautiful, just as pretty, and then it has that on the top, and that's just so dang gone pretty. Last but not least is Palace of Things, and this is a fruity floral. Like, just artwork, just pieces of art. Like, this is so pretty. I'm definitely looking forward to wearing these. So once I give them more wears and all of that, I'll be able to give y'all a more in-depth review. So, but I'm definitely coming back to y'all with these, because the bottles are beautiful. The fragrances so far smell really good, and they smell good on my skin, but I really want to wear them so I can give y'all a little bit more. So that is our fragrance haul today, y'all. We got a lot that I purchased. We got the PR popping. I mean, this was a good haul. It was a good mixture of fragrances. We got some for the spring, summer. We still got some we can still rock in the fall, winter. And y'all, it's all good. So let me know if there's anything that was in this haul that you particularly want to see a review on, or you want me to talk about a little more, or you know, give you some more deets on. So definitely let me know that down in the comments. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.